Hello everyone, here I am again with another video. Actually, we are here at this beautiful place which is near Quebec City. Quebec City is the capital of Quebec. This place called as Beaupré. It's a beautiful place, like you see those mountains, there are rivers or like the falls, which is amazing. They have hiking place. People come here in the winter for skiing, if you see behind me. And this place is so beautiful, like I don't know, I can't describe in words. So I will be shooting small clips of different activities what we will be doing here during this weekend. Actually, I was so exhausted just because of the coronavirus thing and staying home all the time. I wanted to literally come out somewhere because I love nature, like it literally amazed me. So we are here. I will be sharing all those activities and things with you, so stay tuned. Before starting, I want to tell one more thing here, that we are considering each and every rules and regulations regarding coronavirus. We are not ignorant, we are making sure we follow each and every regulations made by government. Like recently we just opened yesterday here, like here we went to pool yesterday, it was all empty, there was no one. The places we are visiting, it's all empty, no one, like you will see in the videos. But other than that, we are making sure we are following all rules, so which is really important to make sure like it doesn't get spread. So let's see how we spend our weekend. Let's start with the place where we are staying. We rented a condo for 5 days. This is our kitchen. You can bring your groceries and cook your food, and there is a barbecue as well. There is stuff everywhere, sorry for that. We didn't clean. And here is the living room, here is the balcony, and this is the outside view from the house. It is a pretty good condo. If you are 5 to 6 people, you can easily manage for 1 to 2 weeks. It is a 2-bedroom condo actually. And here is the bathroom and bedrooms. Our day's big disappointment so far. Actually, we wanted to go for this church called as Basilica Saint Anne de Beaupré. It is beautiful from inside, amazing architecture, but it is closed. So now we are deciding to go to Quebec City. And here is the Montmorency Fall, if you see on our way. We'll come here while coming back. So let's see how our day gonna go now. Here we are in Quebec City. We are going to the Battlefield Park, which is surrounded by these big walls because it was used for the battle in the 18th century. It looks beautiful actually. So now we are gonna go in.
Hey guys, we're gonna pass in through the tunnel.
Patikta now.
Yeah, just a little. This is so gross, but that's alright.
Bravo, Brianna. She's so excited about the YouTube videos actually.
It's finished.
This is the whole park here, and on the other side here is the market. So we will go by this route, and now we are going for the Battlefield walk. You will see construction everywhere. We are late this year actually because of the coronavirus thing. We just opened this week. Most of the construction usually happens in summer in Canada just because we have harsh winter here. Finally, we arrive at the Battlefield walk area after 5 to 10 minutes walk. It looks beautiful actually. Actually, I've been there in December and this river was all frozen. It was so cold, like I could not stand there even for 5 minutes. But this was beautiful for sure. So this area was used by the soldiers to fight. There was a fight between Britishers and the French people. So this area was used by them during the battle. I think there was this area known as seven battle area because there was seven battles which was fought here. And if you see on the right side there are cannons. And this is a slide which they open only in the winters. It's written over there as well that open only in winter. So I think it's a snow and then you slide on this slide. Now we are thinking of walking up these stairs. It is written over here that there are 386 stairs. I'm not sure. I think that's a lot. But I think we can. But we have no map or anything to know where these stairs are going. So we will follow our heart. So let's go. Okay, go. I have to make sure I just hold my phone properly. We just keep walking and walking and walking. Seems like finally we arrived at the top. Here is the complete view for you from the top. It's a big park actually. I don't think so we'll be walking this park today because it's 2 already and we all are starving. And now we want to find a nice place to eat poutine. Poutine is a kind of a national dish of Quebec. If you are coming to Quebec and you don't eat poutine, you miss something for sure. And we have no idea where we park our car. So we decided to follow this path. Hopefully it will give us some clue. Yay, we are back to where we started. So now we know where we are. Side. We are at La Bouche, which is 100% Quebecois restaurant.
Amazing.
This is their washroom. I don't think so I need to explain anything. Leandro already explained everything.
The other one, I think so. Ready to go. Here. So because of COVID, you need to wash your hands.
Amazing.
Mahi.
And then
Okay, wait for me.
I ordered poutine as I said before. Poutine is a Quebecois dish which is made of fries, Quebecois cheese, and the sauce, special sauce, which includes usually beef. But since I am vegetarian, so now there are vegetarian sauce as well. So this restaurant is good for even you are vegetarian or not. And this is the maple candy. This is also pure Quebecois.
Wow! How smart. You can have it on your nose.
Yeah, that's the cool part.
Yeah, I wait for March, whatever. Yeah.
Have mine.
Accote Leandro. Bravo! This dessert is pudding shoma. This is hardcore Quebecois. I tried this myself first time, but this is one of the best dessert I tried. It's amazing. It's yummy, like the best. For this restaurant, I will give 5 out of 5 because they had options for me considering I'm vegetarian and they had great food. So if you're going to Quebec, I would recommend going to this restaurant. Oh my god, I ate a lot and I'm so full now. We came to this mall called La Galerie de la Capitale. One great thing about this mall is this, they have this indoor mega park. We wanted to do skate. If you see on the sides, there is a skating path. It is closed because of the coronavirus thing. We asked at the counter, they have no idea when they'll open. They just opened actually this week only. So I guess we have to wait for that. So that is it for this video. I will make part 2 for further activities because it is getting too lengthy and it needs a lot of editing. In the next video, I will be showing Montmorency Fall, Canyon Santan, and the aqua park of the condo we are staying and some more activities. Please subscribe so that you get notified for my new videos, and it is the motivation for me to create better videos for you guys. So please subscribe, that helps. Also, don't forget to like. Other than that, stay healthy, be happy. See you until next time.
Oh, I was doing photo. A video. I was doing a video.